3DEXPERIENCE Cloud Services for SOLIDWORKS is now included with any new SOLIDWORKS license. It includes the ability to effortlessly share and annotate your SOLIDWORKS designs with collaborators, a secure repository for storing and accessing your data, and a structured system for managing design changes. With 2025, we see the introduction of added manufacturing tools. All of this is included within your SOLIDWORKS subscription. The following video highlights new enhancements that will be available to cloud services customers available with the 2025 release. The first new enhancement is Quick Tours. These are an easy way to expose new users to concepts like an interface overview, how to save to the platform, and how to open from the platform. This guided tour provides tool tips for each important step and exposes users to different types of concepts, such as bookmarks, collaborative spaces, unlocking and locking files, and saving them. Once completed, we can move through to the next quick tour. It's a great way to expose users to platform concepts right from the start. The next new enhancement is the inclusion of 3D Swim right in the SOLIDWORKS task pane. This provides both community access as well as chat conversations. It takes full advantage of the share capability, so users can post files to these conversations and receive markups back. Users can stay connected to their colleagues and co-workers without ever leaving the familiar SOLIDWORKS window. With the design change made by Debbie, Eric is notified that his local cache is out of date. When a refresh recognises a save to the platform has rendered the user's local cache as out of date, a warning notification will pop up. The new enhancement provides clear visibility to what models have changed and what needs to be reloaded, ensuring users are always working on the latest version of their files. Also new this year is the ability to stamp multiple approvals on drawings. For customers who are utilising formal approval processes where multiple people need to review and approve a drawing, these approvals are now automatically added to the drawing title block, providing clear file traceability. SOLIDWORKS PDM is now supported for SOLIDWORKS connected users. This is a great enhancement for customers who value the flexible licensing and deployment capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Connected, but want to leverage an existing SOLIDWORKS PDM environment as their data management solution. And these users can still benefit from secure collaboration by sharing designs with others, allowing them to view and mark up without installing a viewer. It's a great enhancement that provides flexibility of choice to our customers. For users who already use cloud services, it may be easy to integrate those enhancements directly into the workflow. But how easy is it for users who don't already use cloud services to take advantage of it? The answer is vary. We have a number of staged implementation options available to you, dependent on your requirements. The first and easiest step to taking advantage of cloud services is share and markup. Share your SOLIDWORKS designs with anyone, even non-CAD users and non-3DEXPERIENCE users. A simple, free login provides viewing and markup capability at zero cost, with no additional download, implementation, or training necessary. The next step would be to attend one of our free cloud services for SOLIDWORKS sessions. Get a first look at how to store and manage your SOLIDWORKS data in 3DEXPERIENCE by attending one of our regular, free, online training sessions. The half-day courses are instructor show and tell sessions designed to help you learn the basics of cloud services. For users that require something more in-depth, they can attend one of our standard 3DEXPERIENCE and SOLIDWORKS fundamentals training courses to learn everything they need to know about storing and managing SOLIDWORKS data in 3DEXPERIENCE. These training courses are instructor-led with guided practice and exercises. The next stage would be to book some SOLIDWORKS and 3DEXPERIENCE consultancy, our assisted implementation service. Our most comprehensive offering with setup and training included. We'll tailor your 3DEXPERIENCE to best suit you and your SOLIDWORKS workflow. Then train your users on the live system. A variety of consultancy packages are available to best suit your specific needs. For users who require a more complex workflow, we recommend scheduling additional user training. This includes formal changes and approval processes. Cloud services can be flexible. It comes out of the box, ready to use, but can also be fully customized to suit you.